Hey everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. Alright, so I'm filming today on Saturday, December the 9th, and it's my birthday. And I treated myself to the mystery stocking. This retailed for $124, which they claim on the website is 50% off. I just think they say it's $248 and slash it because everyone got it for $124. But you get 7 full-size makeup items. Sadly, I checked before I started filming and it is sold out. Alright, here is the stocking. And under the stocking is a fancy Charlotte Tilbury box with all of the products. I'm also in the Charlotte Tilbury loyalty program. So because I spent over $100, I was able to select a free product. When I made this purchase, what was offered is a lip Lustre, which retails for $25, and this is in the shade Seduction. I'm not wearing any makeup now because when I'm done filming this unboxing, I'm going to be filming a full face of Charlotte Tilbury. If you haven't subscribed yet, I would love if you would do that, and make sure you turn on the bell notification so you can be aware of future videos. Alright, so here is the stocking. This is beautiful. The quality is there, like it's a really thick, nice kind of upholstery grade velvet. I mean, it's soft. The stars are like embroidered on. It's not some press on, iron on. No, it's like sewn in. This top part is kind of silk or feels like a really fancy pillowcase. And let's see, is there anything? No, there's nothing inside here. But even the inside is completely lined with the fabric that they used at the top. And it says, Charlotte Tilbury, you're a star. And it has a little, I don't know, you call this something so you can dangle it and put it in front of your fireplace or wherever you hang your stockings. That is really nice. And it's different than a typical box. Speaking of boxes, when you place an order at checkout, they ask, would you like a fancy Charlotte Tilbury box, which costs an additional $5. I always say, no thank you, yet they send a box. So if you are doing a Charlotte Tilbury haul and you're like, oh, I want one of those fancy boxes, I don't want to guarantee this, but every time I've placed an order and said, no thank you on paying extra for a box, I've received a box. All right, let's open her up. So the first thing I'm grabbing is a free sample. When you make a purchase, you get to select something. And what did I pick? Oh, yes. This here is the Charlotte Beautiful Skin Foundation. I could not find my Charlotte Tilbury foundation. I don't know where I put it. And as I mentioned, I'm going to be filming a full face. So now I have a foundation. All right. The first item in the mystery stocking that I'm grabbing is the Eyes to Mesmerize. And this is in the shade Rose Gold. Ooh, I have one of these in, I want to say, Walk of No Shame. So I'm very curious what Rose Gold looks like. All right, here is what it looks like in the pot. And this is what it looks like swatched out. It's not quite what I envisioned Rose Gold to look like, but it's beautiful. It's kind of a peachy shimmer shade, which will go beautiful with many of the Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow palettes I own. Alright, the next item looks to be a sample. I thought they said there were 7 full-size items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I guess there are 8 products in here, so this must be a bonus. Or is this my other sample? This might be a second sample they sent? I don't know. But this here is Charlotte's Magic Cream. Sadly, I own this product, but I've never tried it. So at some point, I'm going to need to put that into my skincare rotation. All right, next item. Ooh, this feels like a lipstick. All right, so this here is the Super Nudes. Great start. I love a good nude. What shade are you in? All right, it's called Cover Star. And if I remember correctly, it's going to be a super light, pinky, ballet slipper, peachy nude. Ooh, it looks a little darker than that. The sticker on the outside made it, see how, anyways, I ramble. Let's do a swatch. All right, it's right there. It's still a beautiful nude. Should I put some on even though I'm going to be doing a try on? Sure, why not? I'm just going on top of the lip gloss I already had. It has a very brown undertone, which is nice. It's beautiful, nude, right up my alley. All right, the next product. Okay, so this is a mascara, which any box, not Charlotte Tilbury, it could be any brand. I'm like, meh, meh, just because I only wear waterproof mascara. But this is the Pillow Talk Push-Up Lashes. I'm just going to put this aside for a giveaway. All right, next product. What is this? Okay, so it says the word eyes. Exagger-Eyes liner duo. What kind of duo? Are you going to be one side liquid, one side gel? Oh, no. Okay, so one side is cream color and one side is black. Ooh, I'm excited because every now and again I love putting a cream tone in my lower waterline. Ooh, that's really pretty. Oh, it's got a shimmer. I was not expecting a shimmer. Not that anything's wrong with the shimmer. I just was not expecting that. I guess that would also be good just to add into the inner corner. Goodness gracious, my lights are really bright. The cream shade is right there, and obviously there is the black shade. All right, next product. I saw the word Pillow Talk. What is this? All right, so this here is Crystal Dimension eyeliner. Ooh, and it's in like a fuchsia pink. Okay, now I'm confused because the size, maybe it's going to be a liquid, although where or how or when or why would you use a liquid fuchsia? Now that's me saying that because I'm not that adventurous, but I didn't think Charlotte Tilbury was either. Why can't I take this off? Okay, twist. Oh, okay. For some reason I thought it was going to be a pen. Oh, interesting. Okay, so this is the tube with the product. Here is the applicator. Let's see if I can find someplace to do a swatch. Oh, interesting. Okay. That is not hot pink at all. It's like a golden shade. But I have a feeling it's going to be... Yes, it has a shift. Okay, I don't know if this is going to pick up. So it's right there. And it does shift from gold to hot pink. Now, I don't know what's showing up. But trust me, that is gorgeous. It has beautiful duochrome. All right, next product. We have something. Are you going to be a blush? What is this? This here is the Pillow Talk Lip and Cheek Glow in the shade Color of Dreams, which I'm not going to trust this sticker because so far stickers imply one shade and then the actual color is slightly different. Let's open it up and see what she looks like. Ooh, okay, that is really pretty. Perfect for winter. It does come with a mirror, and thank you, Charlotte, for having it open all the way up. All right, I'm going to swatch with my left hand, even though I'm right-handed, because I ran out of space on the back of my hand. Oh, wow. At first I was going to say, oh, I would use it for a cheek product, but it's super balmy. That would be good for the lips, but now I got something on my lips. There's something about products that are both for lip and cheek. It's like if it's dewy enough and hydrating enough for the lips, I'm like, I don't want that on my cheeks. And if it looks good on the cheeks, it's usually then too drying for the lips. The formulation seems very dewy and like it'd be more appropriate for the lips. We shall see when I do the try-on video. All right, the last product has a very shiny gold box. This here is the Glow Glide Face Architect Highlighter. And it's part of the Hollywood line. And this is in the shade, can you guess? Pillow Talk. Here's what the outer packaging looks like. Again, it's a little cheaper plastic. And it's that oval shape. And, ooh, Charlotte, you almost got there. This one's only 95% straight. Does come with a mirror. And here is what the pan looks like. There are some stars kind of engraved into the pan, and this is beautiful. It's kind of like a nice peachy. Oh, I did use the wrong finger. Okay, it does have a pink, not so much peach. And it's right there. Ooh, that's beautiful. That would look pretty not only on the cheeks, but on the brow bone and in the inner corner. All right, let's recap everything that came in the 2023 Charlotte Tilbury Mystery Makeup Stocking. We got the Push-Up Lashes Mascara, a gorgeous collector's item Christmas stocking, the Glow Glide Face Architect Highlighter, an Eyes to Mesmerize cream eyeshadow in the shade Rose Gold, the Crystal Dimension eyeliner in Pillow Talk, the Exagger-Eyes liner duo, the Lip and Cheek Glow in the shade Pillow Talk, and the Super Nudes Bullet Lipstick in the shade Cover Star. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are for $124 to get 7 full-size products from Charlotte Tilbury, this was a really good box. Granted, I love neutrals and love products from Charlotte Tilbury, so this lipstick, right up my alley. I use and love highlighters, and this shade is gorgeous. This product here, the shade is beautiful. I'm on the fence because I haven't used it yet as to whether it's better for the lips versus the cheeks. It seems a bit too dewy for the cheeks, but we're going to give it a try. I love gel eyeliners. This is a gorgeous shade of a cream eyeshadow. This liquid liner is super interesting. If you love a duochrome moment, you would enjoy this. This one is a little too adventurous for me. And because I only wear waterproof mascara, anytime I get a mascara, I'm like, eh. But the other 5 products definitely paid for the box. Plus, because of the loyalty membership, I got a free lip lustre, which retails for $25, and 2 sample products. I'm going to list the MSRP total value because I'm super curious how much of a value over $124 this was. But I'm going to assume it's at least double because they claim that this was 50% off. So it's at a minimum going to be worth at least $248. But now I want to hear from you. Did you think this was a good value? Did you like the products that came in this box? Compared to past mystery boxes, I thought this one was really good. Some of the other boxes, they put in a little skincare, which if you're into skincare, that's great. Other times it's like, no, I want the makeup. But let me know what you thought. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, click on the thumbs up. It really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.